Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you the top best guns in the following season of Free Fire. So for this you just have to opening weapons, and here we are opening armory guns. Just and here we have rifles. So in rifles there are the top guns is Groza because this is the recently ever gun, and the second gun is XM8 because the XM8 Evos has recently gone. So this is the best gun of the season. And Groza is also the best because his Evo is recently gone. So now scroll down and there are not specials and down, but the parallel is also the best gun of the game. So now go to marksman rifles, and here we have some rifles. So in rifles the top gun is wood picker because we can use it for one tap. And if you want SVD, so this is also the top gun of the marksman rifles. So go to machine gun, and here are the top guns is M249. This is the top gun and you can use it in bigger range because his magazine is almost 124 ammo. So the next gun is submachine gun. There are some SMG guns like some machine gun. So there are the top guns is MP40. You can use it for rushing, and if you want to make head, so you can use UMP. MP5 is also the best because its Evo has recently gone. So now go to shotguns, and here we have M1887. You can use it for one tap, and if you are a rusher, so you can use Mag 7. And there are some other guns, but they are not some special. So now go to snipers, and here we have the top gun of snipers AWM. If you can use double AWM, so you are hacker of the game. Now there is a new gun VSK94. This is also bad because its reload speed is fast. Now go to the next. Here is pistol. And this pistol, if you want to make one tap, so you can use Desert Eagle because it is known for its special one tap trick. So now go to melee, and here are some guns you can use. And now go to fist. You just have to buy arrow fist if you want to get the skin of your fist. Now go to grenades, and here we have some grenades and smoke grenade, and the next is through wall. So guys, these are the games of which these are some guns of our game. Thank you very much for watching the video.